So I tried hooking this one up to a charger, actual working volt charger. The charger said that it was fully charged, which I believe that it would be an open because it was green. So let me throw that out for everybody. This is a deep level flood, but the oil looks great. Looks like somebody changed it very frequently. Like somebody might have left the door open at auction. Alright, so this thing has about 3,000 amps for my jump pack going to it, and we get nothing. All of our fuses are bypassed as far as our maxis.